Hey there, Ron Ananian, the Car Doctor. We're here today with a 2011 Ford Explorer, 106,000 miles or so. It's setting a P0303, misfire on cylinder 3, intermittently. Now, cylinder number 3 is here in the back. The intake plenum is going to have to come off to get a look at it. We've looked at fuel trim. We've looked at a couple of different things. The misfire is random. It's not there all the time. It's actually mostly there on cold startup. We've looked at Mode 6 data. It happens under 162 degrees during vehicle warm-up. So we're leaning towards carbon deposits as a possible solution. Also the fact that the vehicle needs spark plugs. It's time for plugs by time, by mileage. It's just normal maintenance. So we're going to do a couple of things here today. We're going to be doing spark plugs. As a matter of record, I always give everybody the option, the back 3 coils. Here's the coils on the front bank. You have 3 more coils like this in the rear. The back 3 coils, you know, do you want to replace them now or do you want to wait? At this age and mileage, it's 8-9 years old. It's got over 100,000 on it. Doing the back 3 coils at least saves you the labor of having to pull the plenum. It's not terrible to pull the plenum, but it is more labor. Do it, get it over with is my vote. Just use a good quality coil, you know, Motorcraft, something like that, and you'll be fine. So one of the things we're going to do here today too, prior to doing this, is we're going to be doing a carbon cleaning, and this one's fairly simple. We're going to be doing we're using the Berryman 4-step kit. We've actually got our step 3 all set up and ready to go, the intake valve and combustion cleaner ready to go. It's a matter of I tapped into the vacuum port after the throttle body on this one. It seemed to be the best place for it. If I could have found something up front, I might have done that, but I didn't, so I'm content with doing it after the throttle body. And I will be cleaning the throttle body using the Berryman 4-part kit. I think that is, I believe that's step 2, the step 2 part of the kit. So we'll do that. We're going to clean the throttle body when we take it apart. There's some cleaner that's going to go in the tank. And we're going to also give the mass airflow sensor a quick wipe off with the chemical that's in this kit. So Danny will fire it up, and we'll get this started. When we're done with the carbon cleaning, we will come back to you. We'll show you after we get the intake plenum removed, see what the valves look like. Stay tuned. Hit it, Danny. This is a good way to get rid of carbon deposits. Here's the proof positive. All right, again, 106,000 mile vehicle. Looks really clean, right? Yeah, we're in good shape. Danny's got the back plugs in. We always do coils when we do this too. You know, the plenum overhang goes towards the rear. It's a bit of a chore to do at this higher mileage. Again, we're trying to solve that misfire, and based on what we saw on fuel trim and some of the other things on the scan tool, we said, you know, it's got to be. It's time for spark plugs, which it is. It's time to do some maintenance. Well, that's it. The Explorer's running much better now. We'll put the tank additive in step 4. And we're done. You can find the Berryman 4-step professional air fuel system maintenance kit online at all your major auto parts stores. I'm Ron Ananian, the Car Doctor. Thanks for stopping by the garage today. I'll see you on radio.